In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. This quick walkthrough will help you find a specific WooCommerce extension using Google and navigate straight to the official product page with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. You should see the official WooCommerce site near the top of the results. Click the official result so you land on the real WooCommerce website, not a third-party page or an ad that might look similar. Using Google here is a simple way to get to the right place without memorizing URLs. Once you're on the WooCommerce site, look for the Extensions area. Depending on what WooCommerce shows you, you might see extensions in the top navigation, or you may be taken to your dashboard first. Either way, go ahead and click Extensions to enter the WooCommerce marketplace. If you're signed into your WooCommerce account, the marketplace can tailor results to your store, but you can browse even if you're not signed in. Give the page a moment to load. There's a large catalog behind the scenes. Inside the marketplace, locate the search field and type Amazon Product Importer and Affiliate. Use the full name to narrow the results quickly. If you've used filters before, clear them to avoid hiding what you need. If your connection is slow, wait for the suggestions to populate rather than retyping. The marketplace can be a bit search-heavy. As results appear, you should see the listing that matches exactly what you typed. If you don't see it right away, double-check spelling and make sure you're searching the entire extensions catalog, not a subcategory. When you spot Amazon Product Importer and Affiliate, click the listing to open its product page. This is where you can review the overview, features, screenshots, and technical requirements to ensure it's a good fit for your store. Take a moment to confirm compatibility with your current versions of WordPress and WooCommerce, and review any notes about regional availability or required credentials for connecting to Amazon. The documentation and support sections on this page are especially helpful if you want to understand how importing, affiliate linking, and updates are handled. Also, check the changelog and ratings to get a sense of how actively the extension is maintained and how it performs for other store owners. That's it for this guided path. Use Google to find WooCommerce, open the extensions marketplace, search for Amazon Product Importer and Affiliate, and then open the product page to review the details.